today we will learn how to upload your YouTube video with help of ChatGPT. Okay, so first of all we will start YouTube. Okay, I already on this platform. Okay, this is my YouTube channel and I have already tapped with ChatGPT. Okay, so I already discussed with ChatGPT. So now again I will do for you. I make some notes. What should I have to ask with ChatGPT about my channel? Okay, so first of all we will say hi. Hi friend to ChatGPT. This prompt copy to ChatGPT. Okay, so he can understand what I want to ask him. Okay, I ask him, and now he's saying that's great idea and that's great niche video script. Okay, so he just give me description and for title, look at this, suggest video titles, how to create a YouTube channel on laptop, screen recording. So now I will copy it. First of all we will select video file here, upload video, select file, and this is my final video editing, so it will take some time to upload. Okay, it's ready. So I will paste here video title, paste. Okay, now it need description already prepared by ChatGPT, so I will take this description, this copy and paste on description box. Okay, this, and now it want thumbnail. Okay friends, so now I have auto generated thumbnail with help of YouTube, so I make it done. Okay, it will make playlist, so I don't have a playlist. I will create playlist, new playlist, title about YouTube related. I will post every YouTube related videos here. Okay, I already write everything. I will post about only YouTube here. Okay, and this create. Okay, YouTube related playlist I already created, done. Next, is it made for kids or not? No, because no kids will make YouTube channels, only legend will make YouTube channels, and after that they will make videos about news. Okay, is there any subtitle, any screen, on screen? I don't prefer today. Okay, so I will make next. Copyright, there is no issue, it's already checked, and I will make it public. Okay, directly public. I didn't make any hashtags or anything, so I already post it, you can see. Now I will go in YouTube studio. Okay,